In today's episode, a simple garage door nearly takes my finger off, a 4-year-old learns why steel-toe boots exist, and we start knocking bits off the workshop that probably shouldn't be knocked down. Which is usually the point that I realise...
Yeah, I'm an idiot. Welcome back to Smoking Steel Garage. Last week I've been and picked up a roller shutter door for the workshop. Drove all the way up to Bolton in Yorkshire, got a nosebleed. So today's job is to cut the front of the workshop off, the only bit that's left, and try and install this. Me and Harry are on the case. Tony's going to join us later on. Right, let's crack on.
Well, that's all with that. Didn't lose a finger.
First job is take the garage door off, and then we'll start building our roller shutter and figuring out how we're going to make it match the rest of the workshop.
You tell me where you want to cut it. Down that to the wall down?
You repair it.
Yeah.
Alright, am I going back now?
How much more can you take out before it stops being a renovation and starts to become a new build?
And I got updates. The concrete finally went off. I don't quite know what went wrong there, but at 2 o'clock in the morning I had to bail out because I had work at 7. So Tony hung on for another hour and scraped it until his fingers bled. And we finally got something that resembles a floor. Is it flat? No, far from it. But I think what that means is the next episode we're going to be hiring a concrete grinder and grinding this one down until we get some sort of a finish. But in the best of terms, we made the best of a bad job.
No, it's okay. I already got hit once with it.
Oh, it's okay, is it?
Did they do children's
Yeah, it
steel
didn't-
toe-cap boots?
It didn't hurt.
I need to
It
start.
actually didn't.
I just hate it when your brother comes along and says, you're an idiot. And then he shows you what you've done wrong and you have to agree with him and go, yeah, I'm an idiot. So here I am up the ladder again in my favourite place. And yeah, we got to sort this out. So the corner coping. When I was putting it on, I kept saying to Dad, there's a gap, there's a gap, there's a gap. Spot what I've done. What a flipping numpty. So hopefully we can just take it off and overlap it with the side one, and job's good. Twat. Missing your wall?
Yeah.
You can build yourself a little sketchy ladder to climb up instead.
Looking down
This technique's called the reverse pigeon shit. One side up. Plan is drop another bar down here, put the other leg up, and we can put the door in, and then I guess just framing around it and figure out the rest. Alright, just about to lift the door up. start lifting the door up, so we've got to fold it to the rail at the top and work our way down. So we just went to slide the next panel on. We have to slide it over here. The problem is, this has got an end cap on. They wanted to slide it on from this end. No end cap, which makes sense. We've got a wall. But we've got a wall, so we have to drill out all the rivets now on one side, put them back on. It's not the end of the world, it's just time consuming. We've been kicking on with this, and now we're messing around, putting out rivets we didn't need to. Fine. Got a door, so we are one step closer to being sealed in. Obviously got some gaps to do, but that's a big one today. Probably a bit of a short video today, wasn't a great deal of footage, but we're moving on. So thanks for watching. If you haven't done so already, remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment down below. We're getting on now with this shed. We'll soon have it finished, and then we can get on with the cars, start dragging them in and getting some stuff done. But yeah, we'll see you all soon.